PurposeDiscount.com. You ready? Today we're bringing you all of our D-cell adapters. Starting off with our B cap, goes on the end of any incandescent maglite tube. Our quick disconnect adapters, our D ring, and our Viper ring. Our blank adapter, as well as our back kit solid end adapter. Our standard D adapters in solid and threaded. Our flat adapter also in solid and threaded. Our Viper adapters solid as well as threaded. And last but not least, our King Cobra in solid as well as threaded. Before you head over to PurposeDiscount.com, please like and subscribe to our channel. You ready?